vesgantti unpacking. Make sure to place the mattress on the flat and clean place. Cut the scotch tape. Make sure not to cut the PVC vacuum bag inside. So the PVC vacuum bag is another layer inside, okay? You cut it in the second place. So always use this plastic tool. Let me show you the plastic tool. It's vesgantti plastic tool to cut the cover. This guy comes with a 10-year limited mattress warranty. Vesgantti. Take the mattress outside and unroll it on a clean surface. Ideally it's a two-person job, so make sure you have two people, but I'm doing it on myself. So I pull the mattress from the box. It's around 50 pounds in weight. Technically I was able to lift this 2 stairs. I walked up 2 stairs and put it on this frame. One person can lift it, but make sure you take help of another person. So we need to cut this cover first. Always make sure you use this plastic thing, okay? I'm going to use this plastic. Let's try cutting using this thing. Don't use scissors. So you can see the foam is being released. As soon as it comes off, the foam is being released. You can hear the foam being released in the corner. Interesting. After unrolling, this is how it looks like. You can see there's still a layer of cover on it. So impressive. See it unfolded now. It's almost 10 inches. It's almost 10 inches tall. See? It's like air was decompressed and then. Now let's pull this cover off and see what it looks like without the cover, the feel. Now that's an 18-inch frame, and the top of it you have 10-inch bed. This is two people can comfortably sleep on this. It's a twin size bed. It's very easy using this tool. It won't damage the mattress. You just use one hand. It's very comfortable. It has a sharp blade inside it. You see that? Just a tiny blade. This is how it looks. With all the wrappers and the covers off in its full thickness. Let me see. Very comfortable. I'm 5 feet 9 inches. This is much room is left. I'm a fully grown adult, and you can still see how much room is left. 2 people can sleep comfortably. Ideal for guest room. No problems. Very lightweight. It gives me the feel of Tempur-Pedic. I still have a lot of leg space left. Again, I'm 5 feet 9 inches. You see, there are more than 5 to 7 inches of space left, so 6 feet man can easily comfortably sleep. Okay. Thank you.